Imagine a spacecraft so enormous it's nearly 36 miles (57.9 kilometers) long, not built to carry astronauts for a few years, but to transport an entire civilization across interstellar space. This is the concept of an interstellar generation ship, designed to travel the 4.24 light-years to the Alpha Centauri system, with the ultimate destination of Proxima Centauri b, the closest known potentially habitable exoplanet. Instead of a short mission, the voyage would last for generations. Around 2,400 people would live, work, and raise families on board, while their descendants continued the journey. Inside the ship, rotating habitats would create artificial gravity, advanced recycling systems would continually purify air and water, and vast indoor farms would produce food, allowing the spacecraft to remain completely self-sufficient for centuries. To reach another star, the ship would need to travel at a small fraction of the speed of light. At about 1% of light speed, the journey could take more than 400 years. Even at 10% of light speed, it would still require around 40 to 50 years, demanding propulsion technologies far beyond today's capabilities, such as nuclear fusion or even theoretical antimatter engines. But speed is only part of the challenge. At such velocities, tiny grains of interstellar dust would strike with explosive force, requiring powerful protective shielding. The crew would also need stable governance, education, healthcare, genetic diversity, and psychological support across many generations. Advanced AI and automation would continuously manage the ship's systems, navigation, and life support infrastructure. An interstellar generation ship isn't just a spacecraft, it's a traveling world. If humanity ever builds one, it could transform us from a single-planet civilization into an interstellar species, taking our first permanent step toward the stars.